What Dogs Want for Christmas by Candy Radzinski. Dear Santa, I have the aroma of stinky feet. Please send me something so I'll smell sweet. Love, General. Dear Santa, I do like eating a nice leather shoe, but maybe I'd better try something new. Love, Beanie. Dear Santa, I'd like to help guide your sleigh. I even practiced on my own today. Love, Harley. Dear Santa, my ears hang down to my feet. Can you fix them so they're short and neat? Love, Daisy. Dear Santa, I know you really care. Please send me something warm to wear. Love, Sam. Dear Santa, I think these treats were meant for you, but it looks like there's enough for two. Love, Goldie. Dear Santa, I like a frosty new friend with a magical hat. Imagine the fun we could have with that. Love, Reggie. Dear Santa, I need something to help me get around, 'cause my belly's too close to the ground. Love, Ruby. Dear Santa, I'd love some mittens made of Persian kittens. Love, Watson. Dear Santa, I love to express my heart and soul, so send me something to rock and roll. Love, Baxter. Dear Santa, seeing you would be great, but I'm getting sleepy. It's getting late. Love, Miss Maddie. Dear Santa, I'd like a soft, warm place to sleep at night and a cuddly teddy bear tucked in tight. Love, Ruffus. Dear Santa, I'd like to help trim the tree. Please send an ornament just for me. Love, Pug or Pudge. Dear Santa, what I want most is a loving home with someone to hold me and call me their own. Love, Scout.